What is up, guys? Super Chally here. All right, today it's cloudy, it's crappy out. Really not too much car stuff going on today. I just want to make a video. Just got a new GoPro Hero 7 Black, so super stoked about that. Want to try it. And I also have a super pissed off tarantula on this cage right there. So what better thing to do is let's try to feed this guy. So he has been growing lately. I don't know if you guys can see him down in there. He is hanging out. Sorry about the glare. He's looking pretty good. I made him kind of like a little half-cut paper towel roll so you can see what he's doing in there, and also have a little tunnel. Let's get some light on this guy. Oh, see? Even caught a cricket in my GoPro box for it. So we'll just set this guy over here for his date with Mr. Tarantula. Little spray bottle action for keeping it moist, and my tongs. All right, so go ahead and take this off so you guys can see kind of what I'm doing here. Sorry, a little bit unorganized. So a little bit's changed since the last time I showed you guys this spider. He gotten way bigger, and I mean, I showed the cage the last time. I tried to put this little brick down there because this water bowl, I'm getting a new water bowl today, so this is not how I leave it, but this water bowl just absorbs the water. It kind of just runs out. So if you guys can tell in the back, see the water. I've been spraying it ever so often, every time I count, just giving a little bit of humidity so he doesn't dry up. He's got this little log back here. Sometimes he likes to dig under, as you can see, but right here, so it's falling apart on me. So this is his molt, so whatever, just leave it in there. I think it looks cool. See the size of those fangs on that guy. Ooh. So he's already got a decent size. So I mean, he's probably about the size of that water bowl spread out right now. Well, maybe the inside, if you guys can see. But I mean, he's doing pretty good. So we're gonna try to see if this guy will eat. I mean, I haven't fed him since he molted a few days ago. I mean, he's down in his little hideaway right there. So we're gonna try this out. We'll see what happens. Let me get the cricket. All right, here we go. All right, so as you guys see, got my little cricket action right here. Usually I just go buy these dudes over at Petco for like $6 a box, but I didn't feel like driving all the way over there today, and I don't even know if he's gonna eat, so hopefully he does. Let's see what happens. All right, guys, so we're gonna drop him in. We got my phone light in here because it's a little bit dark. I shut the garage door for the glare, but we will see what happens. Let's put this down real fast. All right, and then kind of all right, there he is. Spider's checking him out. He doesn't know yet. I think he's waiting for that cricket to move. Come on, buddy. Spider looks like he wants to attack right now. Cricket looks like he knows what's about to happen. This is intense. Dang. All right, okay. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Come on. Come on. He like knows what's happening. Oh, dang. Come on. It's been a while since you've eaten. What in the world? Oh, damn. Well, he attacked it. The spider bit the cricket. And he looks down for the count right now. This dude is like, why are you fucking with me right now? Well, cricket definitely got bit. Let's go back in. You're gonna get our tarantula's been digging his way up there. He's kind of making his own little way out, little trap door. Oh my gosh, I was really surprised he's not eating, since he hasn't really ate in, you know, a few days. But you know, that's how they are. They're temperamental, so sometimes he eats, sometimes he doesn't. Gave him about a week before I even put a cricket in here after he molted. Let's see. Oh my gosh, dude, he is like right there. What is happening in there? They having a conversation? So instead of the cage getting like super dry, I'll just use a little spritz on there. And I give him a little. Try to get the water, you know, good. A little bit down in there for him. That way he doesn't get too dry and stuff. So you guys can see the water kind of seeps down into his area. So, alright guys, so I've kind of like ruined his enclosure, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix it here in a second. But I just want you guys to check this guy out. He is getting pretty freaking big for a tarantula sling. Oops, I don't want to fall down too bad. Yeah. Come up this way, buddy. I don't want you going in there. See if I can get it climb up the glass for us. We got this cricket over here just, haha, I didn't get eaten. He's gonna climb into his little log area. As you guys can see, he's pretty decent size. He's a good looking guy. Get a look from the outside. It's wet right now. That's probably why he can't climb. He's probably mad at me. But his molt's probably still a little bit fresh. That's probably why he's doing what he's doing. Hey, what's up, buddy? I don't like him to fall like that, but there he goes. Still a sling, you know, he's still doing his thing as a baby tarantula, so I'm gonna go ahead and fix his enclosure up for him again. Alright guys, as you can see, he's hanging out right here. He is not too happy with me right now since I destroyed his enclosure, but I've gone back and fixed it, you know, buried his area back, his tunnel back, so we're gonna scoot him on over lightly with the tongue. See, he's not happy. It's alright, buddy. There's a silly cricket. Come on in. Get your fresh water bowl in there. Let's go this way. And there he goes. He is a happy camper back in his tunnel. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and leave him alone. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Sorry you couldn't eat. I'll throw an eating video in here shortly. You can just try one more time maybe with this silly cricket. He loves to dig, guys. This guy loves to dig holes, so. That cricket ain't gonna do anything. Alright guys, well I just wanted you guys to check out my tarantula. Hopefully I gave you guys a cool idea what to do. Maybe give me you guys a little tunnel action over there. This is just kind of a video I want to do, just testing out the GoPro, just trying to see if the tarantula eat, just having fun. But yeah, stay tuned for more Hellcat content. I got some more rap stuff coming up with that, and hopefully the last race turned out to be rain out, and then the one after that was just too busy. They sold out tickets, so long story short with that. But we're gonna hit the drag strip soon with the guys from Demonic Car Club, and we're gonna see how we do. So all right guys, appreciate the views, and always give me a comment, like or something. Cool. All right, peace.